Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please stick around and also do give this video a thumbs up by liking as well as subscribing if you're yet to subscribe, and also comment down below what you like about this video. It really helps my channel and helps me to grow. Thank you. So let's get into today's video. Today we are going to be going through my February Boxycharm. I only subscribed to I think maybe 3 or 6 months, I'm not sure, but this is the February box and this is the card that came in it. It says Boxycharm, be my 𝓢𝓲𝓶𝓹𝓵𝔂 𝓢𝓲𝓶𝓹𝓵𝔂. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go through what I got and hopefully you guys like some of the stuff I got and also I like what I got. The first item is the 𝓢𝓲𝓶𝓹𝓵𝔂 Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream, and this is what this looks like. Sorry for the lighting, it's bright, but that's the box. That's what it looks like outside of the box, and inside it's sealed, but I took the sealing thing off. That's that on the inside. I think this is the only item I got to select and I really wanted an eye cream, so here we go, and I'm really excited to give this a try. It says Bright Eyes, the buttery eye cream glides on with antioxidants, rich yuzu fruit extract and the active vital complex combined with power ingredient niacinamide to reveal healthier, brighter looking eyes. Okay, cool. And this retails for $32. The next item is by 𝓢𝓲𝓶𝓹𝓵𝔂. Yeah, 𝓢𝓲𝓶 Huge Extreme, right there. 𝓢𝓲𝓶 Huge Extreme Lash Mascara, and it retails for $23. And this is a volumizing, long-wearing mascara, drenches every lash in intense triple black pigment. And this is what it looks like outside of the box. I'm gonna open it for you all. So, yeah, ooh. That's that wand right there. It's really nice. The next item is 𝓢𝓲𝓶 Tone-Up Primer Essential Glow. And this primer is the perfect first step to achieving a superfood glow infused with 8 superpowered skin-loving ingredients to help minimize the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. The lightweight satin sheen formula creates an invisible skin perfecting finish. This is what it looks like. I didn't open this one, but I will do that right now. That's what this looks like. And I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand just a little bit. Feels a bit like oh, it smells nice. It smells really nice. It has a really nice smell to it. It feels matte. Is it matte? It's supposed to be matte. I don't see anything glowing about it, but it kind of seems like it's drying because the back of my hand feels like powdery or something. Well, this retails for $35, but it does have its essential, it says 8 super blacks essence, which is black sesame oil, black seaweed, black tea, shiitake mushroom, black rice, Korean black raspberry, nettle, and chai seed. It's all in the side over here. And yeah, so that's $35. Moving on to the next item. Next item is 𝓢𝓲𝓶𝓹𝓵𝔂. Yeah, 𝓢𝓲𝓶𝓹𝓵𝔂 Multitasker 4-in-1 makeup brush. It's an award-winning multitasker brush combined with the 4 most essential, that's what that looks like, essential makeup applications. Includes a sponge, this is the sponge side, and a brush, brow and eyeshadow brush, and this brow and eyeshadow brush. Oh, within it. That's so cool. Oh, okay. So this is an eyebrow brush, an eyeshadow brush right there. That's super cool. Okay. And this compact game changer is all you need for a full face on the go or at home. This is so cool. I'm gonna give this a try in a video. So watch out for a video while I use all 4 of this to apply my makeup or something. This is so cool. I'm excited to give this a try. And the price for this, the retail price for this is $28. Cool. So these are synthetic fibers, by the way, it says right here. Moving on to the last item, and the last item is Estate Cosmetics. That's the box, and this is what it looks like. Estate Cosmetics is a precision felt tip liquid liner. Let me write that here. Oops. Oh wow, that's a really nice clean black. It's a bright black. I kind of wrote on the side of my hand, but if I write, okay, using the tip of the, that's how thin it is, using the tip of the pen. I like this already. It is a felt tip liquid eyeliner, delivers any look from a quick flick to a bold wing, lasting all day. It won't skip, tug, feather, smudge, or run. Cool. And this is retailed for $12. That's everything in my Boxycharm, and I believe from calculating all of this is a total of $130. And I believe the box alone costs 25 bucks. I can't even remember because I signed up for like a 3-month subscription. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did, please give it a like and also subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. It really helps my channel. I appreciate it. And also comment down below what you like about this video if you're subscribed to the Boxycharm. If not, would you like to subscribe? Disclaimer, I am not sponsored or anything. I just like Boxycharm. I'm just giving this boxes a try whenever I feel like it. I cancel sometimes and then I resubscribe. But anyways, let me stop talking. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please like, subscribe also, and share. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.